and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's begin by listening to experts share their knowledge on scaling Agile and its importance.
Scaling Agile requires organizations to expand from single team success to organization-wide agility, while still preserving the fundamental benefits of an Agile approach. As organizations grow, they face the challenge of maintaining Agile's flexibility and responsiveness while coordinating across multiple teams and projects. The Scaled Agile framework provides valuable guidance for building Agile capabilities throughout an organization. This helps teams align their work while staying true to Agile principles. This framework also helps translate the success of individual Agile teams into broader organizational practices that can deliver value at scale.
Well, simply defined, scaling Agile is the process of applying Agile principles and practices to a larger, more complex projects and organizations. While Agile works well for small teams, scaling allows multiple teams to collaborate effectively and maintain flexibility and responsiveness as the organization grows. So why is this important? Well, in my opinion, here are my top 3 reasons. First and foremost, consistency. Scaling ensures all teams are aligned with common goals, processes, and standard. Secondly, efficiency. Scaling improves coordination and communication, reducing redundancies and bottlenecks. And finally, flexibility. Scaling maintains the ability to quickly adapt to changes and deliver value continuously, even in a larger and more complex environments.
Next, let's hear expert opinions on how product owners support product release planning.
In release planning, I believe that product owner's role is balancing what's valuable with what's feasible. So it's important for product owners to work with stakeholders to define clear goals and then collaborate with the development team to break those down into clear, deliverable technical chunks.
The product owner must ensure all products delivered provide value, are delivered in a timely manner, and fall within budgetary constraints. A product owner must understand the customer's time and budget constraints and work with the team to deliver a viable product when needed. This requires extensive collaboration, planning, backlog prioritization, and a thorough understanding of the team's velocity or capability to deliver. The product owner must work with both customers and the team to plan releases in a manner that doesn't overpromise and underdeliver.
Success comes from maintaining a realistic understanding of team capacity while ensuring the product delivers meaningful value to users. I think this approach requires understanding both the technical aspects of product development and the broader business objectives. This allows a PO to make informed decisions that align team capabilities with market needs.